to the ground.
Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful short afro extension. If you find this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So the first thing you need is a net, a round shaped net. I already cut a square one from this. You can use a square one, a rectangular one, but I always prefer a round one. So for me to get that round shaped net, I first of all fold this square into two and then cut it to the round shape. I cut 12 by 12 inches. So you can cut it bigger than that, but not smaller than that, because for today's tutorial, the ponytail has to be big. So the bigger the better. The next step is to sew the edges of the net that I cut, because I'm going to insert the drawstring in the net. And when you sew the edges, make sure you leave a space, because you know you're going to insert the drawstring. So don't sew like the entire circle, leave a space. So this is one of the ponytail drawstring nets that I made before, and as you can see it's very small. So for today's tutorial you need a very big net. For me to pull the drawstring through the net, I'm going to use this safety pin to help me pull it through.
I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right.
So this is my ponytail drawstring net. So the next step is to sew the hair on the net. I'm going to pin it down, and make sure as you pin it down you pull the string, because you know you want your ponytail to be big. So make sure you pull the string when you're pinning it down. This is the hair that I'm going to use. It's called Afro Lister. I've actually used this hair before on my previous Afro wig. I used this hair. I really love it because it's soft, and then it's number 2, though my hair is number 1, but it still blended well with my hair.
It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below your sun.
So the next step is to sew the hair on the net, or crochet the hair on the net if you're using crochet hair. Then I sew in a circle. So guys, this style or this ponytail is good for those people who have big forehead like mine. So I really love this ponytail because it kind of just covers my big forehead.
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good. Memories might let me fall back, but you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. We can get away with it, 'cause you make me love my.
So I sew the combs on the sides, front and back, and now I'm just going to comb and trim it.
Answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. What do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good.
I might use the eco gel, but I'm not sure about it because I've blow dried my hair. So when I apply eco gel, when I've blow dried my hair, it kind of shrinks the hair. So I'll just use this Miadi.
'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. What do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good. connections. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show.
So this is how you're going to insert your comb. So you're first of all going to start from the back. Put it there like this. And then insert at the back. Like that. And then hold it. Insert in front. Like that. And then hold it. Then insert on the side.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Without giving a warning, I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie.
So guys, you can also wear this extension like this. Instead of like, if you don't want it to be like extended to your forehead, you can just wear it the normal way you wear your extensions. And then if you want it to look like a mohawk, you can just like push it there.
I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. We always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show.
So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something from this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.
Turning off my mind so just wanna be